Hey, welcome back to the channel. We have another parade video for you. This time I'm on two wheels on my dirt e-bike. Brian's on the Can-Am Ryker. He still has the rental from the Twisted Sisters, the Three Twisted Sisters ride that we have another video on. So perfect timing. Niece's birthday parade. I take a little back trail to, and Brian of course has to be on the street with the Ryker. Catch back up to him, join in on the parade. There was ice cream and everything. It was pretty sweet. Other than that, pretty similar to my grandmother's 90th parade that we did on the Rykers with Kevin and Eduardo and Ryan. Also, we have another set of two wheels that we attempt to ride on. That was my aunt just then. ThrillMouseMoto. Here.
I didn't see the cans that shot. I didn't see the cans.
One more? I got one more can. I'm gonna do one, probably one more there, or one on the other side.
As long as they stay that length.
Yeah. Oh, it's windy. I don't have enough time to put my cans off. I don't know how I'm going to carry my ice cream. Kendall, Brian's present's in the back. Said you gotta get Brian's present from the back. I'll have to come back around with my cans. I'm gonna try to do it. I think I can try to do it. I can try to do one with this left hand. Okay, what can I do? Oh, next time.
I have no way to hold this.
What's your pocket? You got pockets? I'll have to do the cupcake. A cupcake? Oh, it's got a lid. Oh, yeah. Got it? All right, thanks. All right. Just cradle his head if he falls. Give it to Brian.
Alright, come over here, Brian.
Cover all the sharp corners with your hands.
Yeah, come over here. I'm gonna do your help. I can't hold on.
Do it one
Put your feet to the side.
Just jump on it.
Lift your feet all the way to the side. That's the easiest.
Does that make it turn?
Lift your feet all the way to the side. Yeah, put your foot up. Do your left foot first, then your right. Left foot on the side, and then your right foot on the other side. Lift it up. There. Oh my god. Rub her up and down.
Yeah, do both feet at the same time.
How do you do both feet at the same
You
time?
jump? What do you mean?
Oh, left foot. Left foot. Left foot, bro. Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, that's psycho, dude.
Because don't your feet like move too easily?
Yeah.
And we can do it quicker than you will.
Don't make me have Jackson come in. Well, why is it moving? I don't want you're shifting your weight.
Go forward. And go back.
Start losing it. Dude, that's impossible.
Yeah, pull up.
He doesn't give you a key ring?
Yeah, I'm gonna look it up.
Got a little thing. Like this. A little ball. Oh.
Here and I missed it, so. Oh, that's a bad.
Oh my. You're a fool, dude.
Why that is so funny is because this is the second time Brian has rented that Can-Am Ryker and never knew that the key fob for it went on that little ball. It clipped on that key ring. Never knew it. And it actually had two of them. It had that metal one, that aftermarket one you can get, and the plastic one that's stock for the Ryker. So we're having a laugh about that. But hey, thanks for watching the video. I know it's not a heavy Can-Am Ryker content video, but I just wanted to do a fun one, and it's only like 9.5 minutes long or 10 minutes long, whatever it is. But hey, if you stuck around this long, the first two people that comment, I remember my first Baja Blast as a hashtag. I will get in touch with them, and I'll send them 2 ThrillMouseMoto stickers. Okay, so the first 2 people who comment the hashtag, I remember my first Baja Blast, I will send you 2 ThrillMouseMoto stickers in the mail. Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to ThrillMouseMoto. I was paid to say this since Barry said he felt kind of weird asking. He also wanted me to say Baja Blast slams and yeah dog, ThrillMouseMoto.